Hello friends, welcome to Nature's Attention YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about fire, which is one of the five fundamental elements. First of all, what is fire? It is the reaction between oxygen and fuel, which is called combustion. When a material is heated, weak bonds in fuel breaks to form strong bonds with oxygen by releasing excess heat. At a particular temperature, the rate of heat generation matches or exceeds the rate of heat loss, such that breakage of bonds occur. This particular temperature is known as ignition temperature. First of all, we need to know about two types of chemical reactions. First is exothermic reaction, second is endothermic reaction. Now we see what is an exothermic reaction. A process that releases energy in the form of heat or light. Here energy is released because the total energy of the products is less than the total energy of the reactants. Now let's see endothermic reaction, a process in which the reactants absorbs heat energy from the surroundings to form products. Example of this is ice cubes absorbs heat energy from their surroundings and melt to form liquid. Reaction of fire is an exothermic reaction. Let's take example of combustion reaction. First is methane reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water and excess heat. Second is propane reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water and excess heat. Now let's see fire in space. Gravity has a major effect on fire. The pull of gravity draws colder, denser air down to the base of the flame, displacing the hot air which rises. The upward flow of air is what gives a flame its teardrop shape and causes it to flicker. Without gravity, hot air expands but doesn't move upward. Due to absence of upward flow of hot air, fire in microgravity are dome shaped or spherical. Generally we think that fire and flame are same, but both are different. Flame is the visible portion of gaseous combustion and has no shape. The state of matter for flame is plasma. Fire is the whole process of something that is burning. There are different types of flames based on color, temperature and reaction. First one is yellow sooty diffusion flame, in which the composition of fuel is more than oxygen. The temperature is 1000 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Second one is neutral flame, in which the composition of fuel is equal to oxygen. Temperature is 600 to 1000 degrees Celsius. The color of flame is bright blue color. Third one is oxidizing flame, in which the composition of fuel is less than oxygen. Temperature is 1200 to 1400 degrees Celsius. It is the hottest flame among three. Generally, the color of flame is yellow, bright blue, and pale blue color. But color of flame can be changed by adding chemicals. Now let's see different colors of flames with different chemicals used. For red flame, sodium chloride. For orange flame, calcium chloride. For yellow or green flame, barium chloride. For orange or yellow flame, sodium chloride. For apple or green flame, borax. For green flame, copper sulfate or boric acid. For blue flame, copper chloride or butane. For violet flame, potassium sulfate. For blue or light flame, potassium chloride is used. Emitted colors depend on electronic configuration of elements involved. If an electron excited from the lower state to higher state by absorbing energy, due to instability at higher energy level, electrons tend to fall back to their original position by releasing certain amount of energy, which could be seen as a light of particular color. The exact size of possible jumps in energy terms vary from one metal ion to another metal ion. That means each different ion will have a different pattern of spectral lines and show a different flame color. As we have seen types of flames, now we will see different types of fires. First one is Class A fire, involving solid combustible materials such as paper, wood, cloth and some plastics. Class B fires, which involving liquids such as alcohol, ether, gasoline, oils, etc. Class C fires, which involving gases such as hydrogen, methane, etc. Class D fires, which involving metals such as sodium, potassium, etc. Class E fires, which involving electrical equipments. Technically, Class E fires doesn't exist. This is for simple understanding purpose only. Class F fires, which involves cooking oil such as deep fat fryers, etc. There are many uses of fire. First one is it provides heat. The biggest example of heat energy in our solar system is sun itself. It is the basis of life on our planet. Second is which provides light. Light is more fundamental basis of our modern technology. It helps in photosynthesis of plants, power satellites, many electronic appliances and solar panels. Fire is used to produce electricity. Nearly 80% of world's power is generated from this source. Fourth one is manufacturing industries. Fire is used to manufacture different types of materials. Without fire, it is not possible to manufacture any material. Fifth one is hunting. Early humans used fire to protect themselves from animals and hunt them. They used fire to cook the food. Sixth one is cooking. Every house needs fire to cook the food. We are using fire to cook the food from early days to till now. Now we will see how Vedas said about the fire in human body. In Vedas, fire is depicted as Agni. In our body, about 72% is water, 12% is earth, 6% is air, 4% is fire, and 6% is space. According to Vedas, fire is one of the elements in Pancha Mahabhutas. Here, Pancha means 5, Bhutas means elements. Fire is one of the 5 fundamental elements. According to Vedas, there are 5 main fires in human body. First one is the fire that gives capacity to digest food is Panchaka Agni. Second is the fire that ignites intellect, digest ideas is Sadhaka Agni. Third one is the fire that digests visual impression into recognizable images is known as Aloka Agni. The fire that energizes and adding color to the body is known as Rajaka Agni. Fifth one is the fire that digests touch and sunlight and gives healthy skin is called Brajakagni. So there are 5 fires that are said by Vedas. So friends, we have seen the importance of fire, which is one of the 5 fundamental elements. We should bow down to fire at least once and show our gratitude towards it. So friends, this is the end of the video. We will meet in our next video, which is about another fundamental element, that is water. Friends, if you want to download this video, link is given in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.